Lola Esther for your padala. We've received it perfectly.
And our mama wants to about our business is to sell bigas.
Yep, she advised us to sell bigas. So thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
See you soon. Yay, I did it.
Okay, bigyan mo na kay Kuya.
Okay.
I-repack na rin niya yung Kuya. O,
Ito.
yan. O, bigyan mo na Kuya yung plastic cake ading.
Thank you. Try them. Okay, like this.
We are the owners.
Oh, you're the owner. Oh, see?
Me and Goya are the owner. We're gonna work together.
Yeah. It's a business.
That's how street foods are, right, Mama?
Street foods. Oh,
Yeah.
You're the owner. So, babantayin niyo yung business niyo, ah.
Yeah. And we're gonna also pay for our business.
Yung tubo, di sa inyo na ni Kuya paghatian niyo. Oh.
Yeah.
Then, pag nandito si Lola Esther, di libre niyo si Lola Esther din sa tubo ninyo, di ba?
Yeah, because he gave us the 1,000.
Oo. Gave you 2,000, 1,000 each.
Well, we're gonna pay her with twice the money that she gave us.
Oo. Kaya, ipunin ninyo yan. Okay? Ipunin nyo yung ano nyo, pinagbentahan ninyo, babantayan ninyo yan. Kung may bibili kayo ang magano. So, you're the owner of your own business, ha? Kaya dapat kayo magbabantay niyan. Kaya magtitinda. Be sure that this, sakto.
Now I have a half cup to double them up. Just use your hand.
Thank you, Lola Esther. Thank you, Lola Esther. We're doing the business.
And thanks for the money you gave us. Now we are about our weight scale and the rest that we need. Thank you so much. Now we are really busy. We are just waiting out.
Yay!
And then we weight scale.
And we're gonna...
What's
And 36 pesos for 1 kilo.
Sige.
A great price. Oh,
Next. And they're flying away from us. Next job.